Okay, it's Friday, April 24th. Beautiful out. I think 70 something, 72, 73. Very little winds and just a pretty day to fly. Maybe one of my last few flights because I'm selling the AirBike so I can buy an engine for the KitFox I'm building. It's not going to be a long flight because I forgot to get fuel. I only have 3 gallons of fuel, unfortunately. But we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.
Test 1, 2. Okay, altimeter set 2993. It's actually 78 degrees. Windset traffic, ultralight 07 Romeo Echo, taking off runway 32, windset.
Face traffic, flight star, left base, 36 pace.
Putting on traffic, Tahoe 3827 Romeo is 8 miles northeast, plan on setting up for a teardrop entry across Minnesota at 2,100 feet, entering left downwind, runway 24, Brookfield.
Brookfield traffic, Liberty 224, turning base, runway 24, touch and go, Brookfield traffic.
Rolling traffic, Liberty 225, overflying this field, and we'll depart the pattern to north Brookfield.
Person County Manager for Victor on the accomplishment, turn out runway 6, departing the pattern to the northeast. Okay.
Runway 31, Blue Ridge.
Space.
Dutchy traffic, air road intersection, exiting the pattern to the southwest. Blue Ridge traffic, Takeoff Hotel, left downwind, 31, Blue Ridge. Traffic, helicopter 46 Tango Fox, leaving the pattern for north departure. Brookfield.
Person County 93 X-ray, this will be a short approach 24. November 1093 X-ray, simulate the engine house, 24.
Traffic Dr. 138 Bravo, Lima turning left crosswind 423 Hornet.
County 93 X-ray, short final 24.
Brookfield traffic, Liberty 224, turning crosswind, runway 24, Brookfield traffic. Hornet traffic, Dr. 138 Bravo, Lima turning left downwind for runway 23, Hornet.
Dutchy traffic, RV 184, Telegraph 10 northwest, inbound landing.
X-ray on the go 24.
Brookfield traffic, Liberty 224, turning left downwind, runway 24, Brookfield traffic.
Brookfield traffic, Tahoe 3827 Romeo is 3 miles north, plan on crossing runway.
Pace traffic, flight star 50903, left downwind, 36 pace.
Traffic, Ultralight 07, Romeo Echo, turning left downwind, runway 32, wind 7. Traffic, Ultralight 07, Romeo Echo, turning left base, runway 32, wind 7.
Dutchy traffic, RV 184 Charlie, Golf 5, northwest, inbound landing. We'll be under left traffic for 3. Big traffic.
Wind traffic, Ultralight 07, Romeo Echo, turning final 32, wind 7.